Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Legacy Boy. Today I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox on your Linux distro. Here I'm using Ubuntu 19.10, so it's a beta version. The actual stable version will release around 2020 April. So mostly April. They will always release the stable version on the month of April. Have so the stable version has a 2 or 3 year gaps so that all the bugs are fixed in those 3 years, because every month or like 2 or 3 months, after every 3 months or 4 months a beta version is released, and this is Ubuntu 19.10. It's a beta version. So I'm going to install VirtualBox. It's a VirtualBox. I have already installed VirtualBox, but I'm going to show you how to install it. Just type VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox, and download VirtualBox. So the platform here we will choose Linux distributions, and I'm using Ubuntu 19.10. The last, um, you know, the last version LTS was Ubuntu 16, no, 18.04 LTS this year. Like sorry, previous year. The upcoming stable version is 20.04. So the 20.04 will be 2020, and 4 will be the April month. So it's downloaded. Here it is. Just double click this Debian and the installation will take place. Yeah, it's already installed, but it's gonna take some time for your computer, just for 10 minutes. So I have previously, like, you know, I clicked the installation button for before 5 months, so it took somewhat 6 months, I think. So for my the PC, depends upon your internet connection. And then VirtualBox in your system. It's the smoothest VirtualBox I have ever encountered in my life, really. So these are the tools. I'm gonna add a virtual machine, Okay, I'm not gonna add, I'm gonna create it. So new one. I'm gonna name it mint machine folder. Okay, it's okay. Type Linux, yeah. I'm gonna use, okay, the Linux mint is here, Debian 64. So yeah, next. Memory size, okay, RAM. So you have to configure up to this point. So my PC has up to 8 GB of RAM. So if you have 16 GB of RAM, there's no need to worry. The green color, the green, you see the green color is the safest point. You don't have to move at that red color side. So just maintain at the green point, okay, for safer, hard disk. Okay, I'm gonna create a virtual hard disk now. Virtual hard disk image. Next, dynamically allocated or fixed size. So dynamically allocated is as the as you save files, as you use the virtual machine, the spaces are allocated. Like, it's not fixed size. You cannot limit the memory space in dynamically allocated. In fixed size, you can actually limit this memory size. So I'm gonna use fixed size. I have I have 1 TB of orders, but it's an configuration, so it shows up to 2 TB. So 8 GB. You can also increase up to, your wish, how much you want, how much. So I'm gonna use, okay, 13 GB. Create. It did create, and after this, we should configure it inside using settings. Next, mint advanced description. Memory. Base meta processor should be changed because I have two processors, 4 plus CPUs. Okay. Display video memory increase storage, and here we are gonna insert the ISO file of Linux Mint. So I'm gonna insert here, choose epic. Mm, I'm gonna because I already installed Linux Mint on my on my download folder. So I'm gonna click it this and open. That's it. I have selected the Linux Mint here. So as you proceed, what I'm giving the configuration for you. Okay, that's it. Click OK and start. Start. It's gonna automatically reboot. That's it, guys. This basic configuration of a VirtualBox. Here I'm gonna install Linux Mint. So it's easy. It's a easy steps right now. Now not gonna teach you how to install Linux Mint. So that's it. My video ends here. So if you want to learn how to install Linux Mint or Ubuntu, just comment on my section and I'll prepare a video for you. It's the Linux Mint does not have it installed, but it gives you the pre what to say the pre-installed features. Like you can see how Linux Mint works on your computer without installing it, like a live USB. So it's a live Linux Mint, and if you like it, just click this installation CD. So you can see here next Mint, next switch. Everything is pre-installed here. If you want anything new, you can install it from Software Center. This is the Software Center, Software Manager, and you can install anything. You can search here if you want any software. So it is similar to Ubuntu, but it has some extra features. That's it. But I prefer Ubuntu. It's good and it's really fast. I'm gonna shut off this machine. That's it, guys. This is the basic configuration of VirtualBox. So what I have configured here is the normal usage of like normal configuration of a particular VirtualBox. So for your system, you can configure it yourself by you see the green side and the red side. So I'm gonna like you can decide it through it. So for your PC with higher configuration, you have more GB of RAM and all, so you can easily configure up to the green. My green line is up to this, but your green line will be here or here based on your or also here slower. If you have 4 GB, it will be more like a short green line. It's safer to be on the green side than on the red side, and the process should be up to like if I have 4 CPUs, so I can choose up to 2 processors here. So if you have any just mark the just mark this configuration up where the green is there, the green line ends. So I'm going to mark this line up to the green. So everywhere you see any green line, just mark to the end. So you can also share the folders here. I'm just showing the basic configuration. I just showed you basic configuration. So that's all, guys, for today's video. And if you like it, share it to your friends who are very nerdy about Linux. And really, I'm gonna make many Linux videos. And if you have any questions, comment on my section. I will sure write the particular websites and VirtualBox websites and other configurations. If you have any doubt, comment below the section. So thank you, guys. Subscribe it this channel, and I'm gonna bring you like I'm gonna teach you about what are all the just ask. I'll give the video. Simple as it is. Just subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.